This is where we left off our baby Napa cabbages. We grew them from seeds in my previous video, and if you have not seen that video, I have put the link in the description and you can check it out. So we grew these cabbage plants from seeds. These are Napa baby cabbages, and they are not like your regular cabbage heads. I mean, they'll not grow like a regular cabbage heads. They will be like taller vase kind of cabbages. This is where we left off the last video, and I'm going to show you how it progressed. 2 more weeks have passed, and you can see the growth. Our cabbage plants are growing really well. I can also see that something is eating up the leaves, but I don't want to use any pesticides because, on leafy vegetables, I don't like to. So I'll just remove those leaves wherever I see holes, and that's about it. Look at these cabbages. They are growing so nicely, so healthy. I'm going to pick one soon. Look at our cabbages, and look at this vase shaped cabbages. They're so tall, and they're forming that vase shape that Napa cabbage has. And at least on this side, I keep saying, but I still am waiting for them to grow bigger, but I can start harvesting them. So finally I have harvested some of them and can't wait to use them in my cooking. And I think they can be eaten just like that in sandwiches and salads also. So one thing you have to be aware of is that as the weather becomes hot, these cabbages, they'll start to turn yellow and they'll actually bolt. This is what happened here. I didn't harvest them fast enough. I harvested some, but not all, and now you can see some flowers here. But in any case, I can now pick them up now. So to summarize, Napa cabbage is really easy to grow. It takes about anywhere from 10 to 12 weeks for it to reach maturity from seed to harvest. You need to just keep the soil moist all the time and make sure if it is too hot, then you want to give it some shade. Otherwise, the leaves will start to turn yellow or they will wilt in the daytime, and you don't want that. And if you started with a good soil, there's no need for any kind of fertilizer. Just make sure that the soil is moist and it gets plenty of sun. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.